Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1973 Chevy Camaro. As you can see, it's by Hotwheels Silver Series and it's from their Fast and Furious Villains line of casting. So it's been featured in the movie. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So the Camaro is out of its box. The first thing you will notice is the paint job, the matte green. Looks really good, looks really cool. So I'm assuming it looked the same in the movie, that's why they did this paint. Other thing you will notice on the side is these wheels. They look really nice, especially complements the theme of the car. Now since we are on the side, I would like to show those turn indicators. They are detailed, door handle is detailed. You also got the mirror. Now let's move to the front. Up front, again, nice details, detailed headlamp, blacked out grille, blacked out bumper and lower lip. Again, this black theme continues on the hood. So nice paint. I really like the combination, the matte green and black. Now coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. No major differences. Obviously Camaro is two doors, so let's move to the back. Again, continues with the same paint job and black and green theme. So you see the big spoiler, the black spoiler. If I show underneath, again there's the black one, black bumper, blacked out rear with detailed tail lamps. Looks really good. I like the design, I like the wheels too. Interior is also done in black. And if I don't know if you can notice, let me move to the passenger side. It's not visible that much, but yeah, so there are seats inside, but then only driver's seat is there, the passenger seat isn't there. You kind of have a roll cage which isn't visible because of all the reflection. It's done in black, so that's another reason you can't really see it. Yeah, but it's a good casting. I really like it. I think I got few of these from this series and they all have good details on them. They're slightly pricier than the mainline, but again, it's cheaper than the premium and they have good detail. So if you like detailed vehicles, go ahead. Or if you like Fast and Furious, you should get this too. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.